welcome back to my channel. So, today is kind of a weird freaking day. This whole week, or actually let me scratch that. The whole 2020, ever since the fucking New Year started, everything is just kind of like going to shit. And with the coronavirus and everything going around right now, honestly, let's just not talk about that. I know everyone's, freaking out on, quarantines at their home and stuff, trying to stay home for the next 2 weeks. Even myself, I got literally, called off from work, because they, not even called off, they literally closed off my work, so. But enough of that. I literally just washed my hair. I have nowhere to go, but we're just gonna play around with some makeup. We can just talk about random shit, kinda cheer up, not have to be so, anxious about everything going on in the world right now. Everything that's been going on. Even myself, honestly. I've been really fucking anxious, so I guess let's just play around with some makeup, get creative, do whatever. I honestly don't know what we're gonna do in this video, but I really want to use this on my lips, though, right now. It's the Ginsa Super 8 Oil. Ooh, smells good. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. But I do have a bunch of new makeup to not test out. Well, yeah, test out, I guess. Because I got a couple things from Ipsy, which one of these things was this lip oil. But I do have, a new eyeliner. I do have, a new eyeshadow palette we're going to try out today. It's from the BALM, and it's the Pic Perfect eyeshadow palette. So, we're going to just do that real quick. And, yeah. I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows of the camera, and we'll be right back. I guess we will start with the eyeshadow palette, which is this one right here. I'm gonna put a little bit of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer over my eyes. I love this stuff, and it's super affordable as well. If you guys want a really good full coverage concealer that doesn't crease and it's cheap as shit, buy this. They literally have it at Walmart. Even right now with the epidemic, Walmart's still open till 8:30, so nah, just kidding. You guys stay home, stay safe, don't be spreading this shit, please. I don't want to get sick. You don't want to get sick, get anyone else sick, you know what I mean? Just stay home. You guys, if you have food, you have TV, you have your smartphones, there's no need for you to go outside. Y'all will be fine. So just keep your asses home. Yeah, we're gonna prep the lids. So, I'm gonna take that lighter shade right here, St. Charles. I'm just gonna use that as the transition shade. Almost like a base. Ooh, that's a nice color. Not bad. Really simple and easy. I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye as well. Alright, and then we're gonna go in that darker green shade called Pennsylvania. That's actually where I'm from, so I'm gonna go get in that shade. I hope this is not gonna be patchy. Colors like that usually tend to be really patchy, so I'm gonna have to be gentle. Try to stamp that on lightly. Kind of try to just deepen everything with the green. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be too patchy, which is really good. Nothing worse than having an eyeshadow palette that you can't even create any looks with, because everything just ends up being really patchy. And then I'm gonna go in with this green color called Sunset right over here. That's really pretty. I'm gonna go into that color Sunset. Wow, that is pretty. Not too pigmented, but not bad, I guess. I tried out better colors than this before, but it is really pretty. If we can pack it on, kind of just blend it. Alright guys, so that's with the green, and then I'm gonna go in this shade right here, Rodeo. It's a nice pearly white. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. Ooh, that's cute. On the brow bow, it's really powdery, but the color is really actually pretty. I think that came out really cute, not gonna lie. I'm gonna do my lower lash line in a little bit, but let me quickly put some lashes on with some mascara, and then we're gonna finish the rest of our face. Be right back. Alright guys, so actually I was gonna go off the camera to finish my eyes, but I did forget that I have this Luna liner from Seraphine Botanicals. So I have this waterproof liner. So we're gonna test that out. It's apparently not tested on animals, vegan, GMO free, and gluten free, which is really freaking great. This is the liner. Ooh, it has a really nice felt tip, if you guys can see. So, and let's see how this liner works. Let me get a little closer for you guys. Seems a little dry so far, not gonna lie. It's not bad, but definitely a little dry. But I think it's just these types of liners, like, they're always really dry. I made that a little too thick, but actually that's kind of cute. Not gonna lie. Really cute. Same thing on this side. It is a little dry though, so you gotta like shake it up a lot. Honestly, I don't know what's the price point. If it is like over $20, then yeah, just wouldn't really buy it. I wish you guys could tell me, but yeah, I'm not here. But that's actually really cute. Let me, I guess, now get off the camera and then go finish the rest of my eyes, and we will be right back. Alright guys, so I just put some lashes on. Honestly, they're just like random ass lashes that I found. I don't know how I feel about this look. I think it will look better once we're gonna finish the rest of the face. For the mascara, I used the Wonder Beauty mascara. I've been just trying to kind of like use up all the mascaras that I have. And then I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I'm gonna put this on my face. I love this stuff. It just makes my face feel so good, especially like when you wear makeup and stuff underneath it. Obviously, because it's a primer, but you guys know what I mean. Foundation is gonna stay really good on that. I guess I'm gonna go in with the Catrice foundation once again, because that's all I've been, I guess, using. Just gonna start blending this into the face. Honestly, I realized that like I just honestly need like the smallest amount of foundation because then my face gets really cakey and like it goes into my crease lines really fast, well, my smile lines and stuff. So I've been using like the smallest amount of foundation. I had a lot of people ask me like where I go get my piercings done. I actually do all of them myself. Kind of something I got myself how to do years ago. And honestly, I've been to few piercing places, and let me tell you, I think I do a better job than they do. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I might not be licensed for it, but like when it comes to cleaning and doing it, like, you know, sanitizing everything, I'll much rather trust myself because I know I'm gonna clean stuff properly. The needles, wear gloves, and like, you know, clean the area, open everything that was untouched. So, because I'm pretty sure one time when I went to get my belly button, not the top but the bottom, shit was infected, and then the dude didn't even like open the needle in front of me or like the piercing. He like didn't even like bother cleaning the piercing like afterwards or anything. So since then I was like, yo, like literally, like I do a better job than they do. Not everyone, like there's some really good like piercing places, but like the one I just been to, not good. And then for the concealer, I'm gonna go in back with the e.l.f. Camo concealer, and then we're just gonna blend. I love this concealer. Honestly, I didn't realize how good it was until like a couple months ago, and I was like, shit, this is really good. And then for the powder, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe translucent powder. This is my favorite powder. I use this shit every single day. It's honestly like crazy how much I use this powder. And then we're gonna just kind of like go in like this with a sponge. I'm gonna just tap it a couple of times, and then what I do is kind of just like look up and just kind of lightly set my under eye. Just, you know, light covered. Nothing too harsh. Alright, I'm gonna let that bake on my nose. We look hilarious right now. And then I'm gonna take the Gigi Gorgeous bronzing duo. Take a little bronzing brush, kind of like swirl that shit in there. And then I'm just gonna, you know, warm up my face a little bit. Make myself look not as pale and ghostly. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take my, I'm gonna try to see if this works. If it doesn't, you know, it doesn't. But I got this like a new brush for like contouring and stuff. So I'm gonna take that like cooler shade. That actually worked pretty well. I'm honestly surprised. Alright, what do you guys think? I think that worked pretty good. I think they came out good. My nose contour looks really snatched. I actually do really like this brush. I didn't think I would. That's a shocker. That's something good, I guess. And then for the blush, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Blossom Time Rose blush. This looks really cute. This is like a really gentle blush. Looks cute. And then, what should we do for the highlight, guys? I don't know. For the highlight, I'm going to go with the Moonstone Becca highlight. Ooh. And then I'm going to do my highlight on my nose. Just like that. It's really, like, natural. I didn't feel like doing anything too crazy today. So, and then for the lip liner, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop lip liner. I love this lip liner. It's definitely like one of my favorites. I love this color of the lip liner. And then I'm just going to go back in with that lip oil we used earlier. Ooh, this looks juicy. Alright, and I'm going to spray my face with the Pixie Glow Mist. I love this stuff. And then let me quickly finish my lower lash line and I'll show you guys the final look. Be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with you know, my lashes all done. My hair's still a little wet, so like I didn't really bother styling it. It has to like dry, and I'm trying not to use heat on my hair. So this is what we're gonna have to deal with for today's look, I guess, is messy hair and this like almost looks spongy. What do you guys think? I think all the products that I used were pretty good today. I really did enjoy the eyeshadow palette. Like, it's pretty good for like BALM Cosmetics. Their eyeshadow palettes are usually not good, but this one, I do really like this. It is pretty good. I do recommend it. It is a little small, but hey, if you want to buy it and you like the colors, definitely, you know, check it out. I really like the lip oil that I used. And yeah, I hope this video kind of helped you guys just take your mind off things. You know, just watch me do my makeup. It definitely helped me kind of just calm down about everything. And I'm feeling myself right now. Y'all, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, it would mean a lot to me. Give this video a thumbs up. Check out my Instagram, which is Simi_Violet. And yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!